Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will talk about the Python identity operator. This is my 12th video tutorial of this Python series. Now in this lecture, all about the cover what is the identity operator and how you can use in your program. Okay, so without any further delay, now it's time to intro. Definition and identity operator are used to compare the objects. It means suppose now this is my memory, and here you store suppose here now this is L, and it stores the list on over there. Okay, and this is suppose it pointed the two variables, suppose A and another variable is B. When the both variables of the list is same memory location on the memory, and then it is called the same object. Okay, now here not if they are equal, and but if they are actually the same objects. Okay, with the same memory location, when the memory location is the same, then you can call the same object. Okay, now we have the two operator is or is not, and here you can see the this is my basic syntax as x is y and x is not y. X and y is the variables. Okay, now when if both variable are the same object, then return the true. When the both variable are not same object, then return the true. Okay, now this is the enough for the identity operator. Now it's time to go on the VS Code. Now there we go, and we have the two variables a and b, and both are stored the two. But when you print the variable value, now what will happen? Now you can see both are the print the two. When you check the a is b, now what will be result of that? So please write the comment. Now you can see, and when I use the a is b and click on the run button, now there we go. It is true because the two is the same object. I think you got it. Now I'll change the here. Suppose we have the three, and then when you check the A is B, not because it's a different memory location. Three is three on the memory location is the different. So okay, and so when you use the is not, then what will happen? It returns the true because it is not the same memory location because it is not the same object. Okay, and when you store the two comma three, now there we go. It is list, and when you store the B equals to the A, and when you check the A is not B, it returns the false because A and B pointed the same objects. Okay, so that's why A is B. When you click on that, now you can see it returns the true. That means A or B is the same object on the memory location. Okay, now I think you got it now. So I think suppose we have the another list 2 comma 32, and when you print that A is B, then what will happen? Now you can see that it is false because now I'll explain you what is the. Suppose this is my memory location, and now here you can store the 2 comma and the 33, 32. Okay, but when you store the in the B, then it store the again 2 comma 32. So now you can understand with it. Now this is another memory location in the memory. This is the another memory location in the memory. So that's why it is not the same object. So that's why now you can see here, and it prints the A is not A is B, not because it is the not the same object A or B. Okay, so I think this is the enough for that, and so thanks for the watching. And if you like the video, so please like the video and ring the bell for the upcoming videos.